Hey guys, if your Wemo switch works in the Wemo app but Alexa can't find it or won't respond to voice commands, you're in the right place. This issue can happen because the Wemo switch has gone offline. The Wemo skill is no longer linked to your Amazon account. Device discovery hasn't been refreshed, or the switch and Alexa are connected to different home networks. In some cases, outdated firmware or a temporary cloud synchronization issue can also prevent Alexa from detecting the switch. These are the steps you can try to fix this. So let's go. 1. Confirm the Wemo switch is online in the Wemo app before using Alexa. 2. Disable and re enable the Wemo skill in the Alexa app. 3. Run Discover devices to search for the switch again. 4. Update the Wemo app, Alexa app, and switch firmware if updates are available. 5. Remove the switch from Alexa and add it again if it still isn't detected.